Stevie is gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna go get the thing.
Okay, so I made this sign to put on the back.
I'm just gonna tape it to the back of his car and hopefully people honk at him. So this is what we have on the back of his car. So I've been meaning to do this prank for a while now when we do a drive with me, but I couldn't figure out how to get it on the back of his car without him knowing, obviously, when he's here. So I decided to tell him that I needed to put something in his trunk, like a present or whatnot. I think it worked, but when we walk out of my front door, I'm gonna have to make sure he doesn't see the paper on the back because he didn't back up far enough to the garage. So yeah, because I couldn't just do it whenever he was parked out in my driveway because he'll always open my door for me, and so he walks around the back or the front like it's like I don't know which one he does. Like it kind of depends. So I didn't want him to see it obviously as he walked around, or sometimes he parks where the back end of his car is facing the front door. So like I just want to start off with saying that I have originally seen another couple do this before. That's where I got the idea from. So make sure to check out the video, link down below. The name is slipping my mind right now. But their video is really funny. It's where the guy pranked the girl and the girl got really mad. So I hope Steven does, or I hope he's like, what the heck? So let's see if it works. All right, I think we're ready. Hi, silly head. Hi, Nina. You're playing pool with yourself.
Duh, yeah.
What a nerd.
Who doesn't?
I need you to close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
Yes, and I need you to trust me. I need you to keep going. You're good. Keep your eyes closed. Step. Step. Walk this way.
Whoa, I thought there was another step.
Oh yeah, I probably should have told you, no. I'm gonna open the door for you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
It's reversed. Here you go. Alright. There's the tape. So we'll tape up the phone.
Wait, why can't I look back there? Is it still open?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm about to show them, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, so this is what it is. I'm so excited to show him. So you're gonna have to wait. Hey you guys, it's me, Madeline, and Steven, and today we are going to be doing a drive with me.
Drive with me part like 3?
No, we've only done one on my channel. But the first one was me finding you.
This is my jacket, by the way, because I'm a cute boyfriend.
I was literally about to say that. We're couple goals. I'm wearing his jacket. I forgot one, which I could have grabbed one at my house. We didn't realize we were gonna stop
I really
here.
like this jacket on her though, because it goes with the leggings.
Anyway, all right. So we were doing a drive with me, and yeah, I guess we can go. By the way, we're filming off my phone, so if the quality is a little weird, that's why. So what we are doing right now is we are going to see Happy Death Day. We've heard that it's really good, so.
I'm ready.
You excited to see it?
I am excited to see it. I feel like we haven't filmed in so long.
I know, it's weird. So if you don't know, I'm in college, so it's been kind of hard to film because when I'm here for the weekend, I don't really feel like filming and I just want to hang out with my Stevie boy. Yeah, and it's really hard because you have to be wanting to both do it. Like,
yeah.
If one of us is in a bad mood, we don't want to film. Like, we both have to be in good moods and want to film. Do we have any life updates? You applied to college.
I did apply to college.
He applied to the same college as me.
My first college application.
But before you guys say, oh my god, is he following you to college? He's been wanting to go to this college before he even knew me.
My parents even went to that college, so.
Yeah, so don't think he's just following me around or whatever. Like, you know, like how some relationships, some boyfriends follow the girlfriend and the girlfriend follows the boyfriend. He's been wanting to go to this school, so it's okay. I'm gonna be literally 20.
And I won't even be 18 yet.
He's gonna be 17 when I'm 20.
Just
Only for a month.
For a month.
Actually, a month and a half.
Yeah.
Because I turned 20 at the beginning of March.
Yeah, on the 4th, and then my birthday is April 26th.
That's more than a month and a half. That's like basically 2 months.
Almost 2 months.
That's gonna be weird. Okay, so cute story. So basically, I was on my way home to college, right? Was I going back to my apartment? No, I was going to my apartment because I remember being in the parking garage. So anyway, I was going back and I was listening to the radio, and I hardly listen to the radio because either I'm listening, like I was listening to the regular radio. Normally I listen to my Christian stations, or I'm on the phone with Steven because we talk to each other when I'm on my way home because it's late. Anyway, it was like one of those like rare moments where I was listening to a different station. A song by Ed Sheeran called Perfect came on, and I was just like listening to it, and I was like, oh my god, this is Steven. I was like, Steven. I just could not stop thinking Steven. So I texted him, I'll put it up on the screen. I texted him along the lines of, listen to this song.
This is our wedding song.
This is going to be our wedding song. And he literally sent back and was like, oh my gosh. I screenshotted that song because I guess he was on like Spotify or something. And it came on, and he said he screenshotted it because it reminded him of me. I went and looked at, like, because I saved his screenshot. And you know how when you save your screenshot, you can, like, whenever you screenshot something, it will save when you screenshotted it, like, what day. You can do, like, that memories thing on iPhones. And so I went and looked, and he had favorited on, like, the 23rd or something of, like, September.
Yeah, it was, like, sometime in September.
Yeah, and so it was, like, 2 weeks before I had seen it. So it wasn't like we had talked about it or anything. Yeah, so this is the song. That was a really long explanation,
Yeah.
but here's the song. Alright, that part, this is what really screamed to me. I was like, oh my god, I really need to say this is going to be our song. Because when we first started dating, yeah, we started dating kind of early. Like,
Very fast, like.
I met him at the ending of January, and we were dating by the 10th of February.
I jumped in there fast.
I had just gotten out of a relationship, so it probably was a little fast if you say it is, but anyway.
I did too, but like just a little bit before you did.
Yeah, and people would be like, y'all are gonna break up in 2 weeks, blah, 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 y'all aren't gonna last, and blah, blah. They're saying we weren't gonna last. So basically, that part is saying F you to the haters. We're fighting against all odds because, you know what? We're going almost 9 months strong,
Almost
so
9 months.
it's whatever, you know?
It's insane.
Fighting.
We could go to Chick-fil-A right now, but it's Sunday.
Aw, I actually just got like really excited, and I was like, wait, we're not gonna make it though.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine though. When it's over, I'll press rewind though. Talking bands, yeah, I got it. Picture bands in my pocket. I did.
Wow, this is such a fail.
What is?
Singing.
Oh.
We don't know the words.
I know.
We're like, we love that song.
We love this song so much.
The way you work it, no diggity. Back it up.
They just fucking honk at me. I'm in the right-hand lane. Yo, I'm about to fucking fight those people. They honked at me and I was in the right-hand lane. Idiots.
It's okay, babe. Alright, we're gonna go into the Dollar Tree really quick and go get some candy. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so Steven said we should film going in here. He's literally still so mad that that person honked at him.
I didn't even do anything wrong. I was in the right-hand lane.
He's like, were you scared? Were you scared?
I was like, I wasn't even doing it.
Oh, those are gross.
Nuh-uh. These are good.
Hey Steven, I need to tell you something.
I'm just kidding.
I think we should see other people. That's a deal breaker. I don't know what I want. There's too many choices.
The
go. $1 million.
Dude, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why did they just have that on the shelf? I don't even know what I want. I'm gonna come
These
back
are
once
good.
I figure out because I'm stressing out. What did you say?
I said she literally just, like, she honked just to honk, I feel like.
Are you really on about that still?
Yeah.
Oh
Really
my
am.
god. I got M&M's basic. Stevie got some Skittles. And also these. We just got out of the movies and I thought it was pretty good.
I liked it.
We can't really say much because we don't want to give it away, obviously.
Recently, her 2 favorite foods are baked potatoes and chicken fried chicken. Not
Yes.
necessarily chicken fried steak, but
Chicken fried chicken. People don't know what chicken fried chicken is.
Basically,
But it's a thing.
it's chicken fried steak, but instead of the steak in the middle, it's chicken.
I love chicken. Sorry
it
to all
is
my
good.
vegetarians and vegans. I support you, but chicken
Is
Woo!
good.
is so good. Do you like Cotton Patch? Wow, the lighting is really...
Wow.
The
man.
lighting is really good. Here, I'll do it. You're driving. Wow,
Where should
this
we
is
go?
cute. Cotton Patch has baked potatoes.
I'm gonna go to Cotton Patch.
It's just right there. Oh my god.
What are they doing? What the?
Why are you
they
going?
doing?
Why are you going?
Because it's a right-hand turn. What the?
Why are you just going? There's like, why are you going over here?
I don't even know. Hold on. Why the were they honking at me? I didn't even do anything wrong. I swear to God,
Hey.
I'm literally about to beat somebody.
Stop, babe.
What?
Why are you so mad?
Because I didn't do anything wrong.
It's okay. Yeah, pull in this way. No, the other way.
I'm gonna turn around right here.
Yeah, because the light. I don't want the. Pull the other way.
You want the light to come in on your side?
Yeah. Well, nice working.
Thanks. Yo, I'm actually so pissed right now.
It's okay.
I don't even want to do this video anymore.
Why? I'll edit it out. Nobody will
Literally.
even know.
Literally, thank you.
It's
That
okay.
really me off, to be honest.
All right. Well, we're at Cotton Patch and they have baked potatoes, so
I'm ready. Let's go. What did I do wrong?
it's okay.
No. Tell me, what did I do wrong? You're recording. What did I do wrong?
Nothing. Look how he just.
I just had road rage.
He said, "I don't even care."
I had road rage.
Steven, why are you so mad? Why are you so mad?
That guy pissed me off.
All right, anyway, we're going to eat at Cotton Patch, so see you later. He is still going on about this honking. Why are you so mad?
Was it the person to my left honking?
I don't know. I didn't notice which car. Was there a car behind you?
I don't know. But even if the light was still red, so why honking at me to go?
You had your blinker on.
But I didn't know if those people in front were gonna turn left onto that road.
Why are you so mad?
Because I'm not a bad driver.
Will this matter tomorrow?
Yes, I will literally kill you.
All right, we get to taste that. This is what I got.
Should I do it in gravy or
This
ranch?
looks so aesthetically pleasing.
I'm doing it with ranch.
Good. Take a bite. Ooh. All right.
Put in some ranch.
Okay. I hope
I swear to f***ing God. I swear to f***ing God.
Babe, they probably weren't even looking at you. I'm sure they saw like their friend or something, or they're like, "Hey, I'm here."
I never hear people honk. And today's the time 3 people honk.
I think you're just mad and paranoid.
Dude, I'm even scared to drive right now. You wanna drive?
So, I got a song for you.
Did I really trick you?
Oh, I wasn't even paying attention at all.
Man, you would have died.
Stop.
turn it up. I swear, I hate this song so much.
I don't like your little games. Don't like your tilted stage. In the nick of time, honey, I rose up from the dead. I do it all the time. I got a list of names and yours is in red underlined. I check it once, then I check it twice. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
We don't do the same drugs no more. We don't do the same drugs. Do the same drugs no more.
We do not do drugs.
She don't do the same drugs.
Don't forget I get to show you what's in your trunk.
Oh yeah, should probably.
But don't go back there without me.
I will.
We're gonna go show him what's in his trunk.
Is there nothing? Yeah, there's nothing. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Do you not see?
I love it.
Do you not see what's?
Oh.
I'm so disappointed that only 3 people honked at you. With all the people behind you, only 3. How do you feel?
I'm so pissed off. I'm so mad.
It actually made you mad though. I was like so hyped. Wait, okay, so you know how you know how like 2 weeks ago I was like, okay, when you park into my driveway, can you like pull in this way? I was like, I think it'd just be better to pull out. I wanted that to happen so I could go be like, hey, I need to go to the bathroom and go downstairs and tape that to the back of your car before we filmed it. And then also me saying, oh, let's drive my car. Like, you can drive my car. I would have already had it on there. But it worked out so perfectly.
And you're like, hey, pull forward so you don't.
Yes, and I told you to go around so it wasn't like in the back when we walked out to the car. You have a mosquito on your face. I got him.
I'm so mad.
Are you shocked?
Yes. I was so mad.
Dang it, only 3 people honked at you. I thought it would be so funny if more people did.
I would have probably road raged. I like looked at him like, what the fuck? Like,
Dude,
oh,
I would have.
I almost like went like that to the guy outside of it.
All right, well. You're welcome.
I was getting so mad.
That's why I kept being like, he's still talking about it. I was like, I'll cut it out of the video. No, I'm not. That's the main part of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope his reaction was funny enough. I wish more people honked. Like, I was so mad that they didn't. So we had so many people behind us. Like,
yeah.
And then when we were on that last stretch, I was like, okay, no one's going to be behind us.
Yeah.
But, y'all, I was trying so hard to, like, act like normal. I've been planning this for like 2 weeks now.
Yo, I'm so mad. Like, I honestly had no idea.
It could have not worked out any more perfect. All right, we're going to go inside because mosquitoes are everywhere. But thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe down below and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post. And follow all of our social medias.
Yeah, there are mosquitoes everywhere.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye.